which thermostat wires control the furnace blower fan, and exactly how to wire or troubleshoot them for reliable operation. The furnace blower fan is driven by the green wire at the thermostat, which connects to the G terminal on both the thermostat and the air handler or furnace control board. When the thermostat connects the green wire to the 30-volt power source provided by the red wire at the R terminal, that completes the control circuit and signals the fan relay or control board to energize the blower motor. Always verify voltage between R and C, or use a meter to check continuity on G before assuming a broken thermostat, 2 psi. If you see about 24 volts between R and G when the fan call is active, the thermostat is doing its job and the issue is upstream at the control board or relay. If there is no voltage change, remove the thermostat faceplate and jumper R to G with a small insulated wire to force the fan on. If the blower runs, replace or reprogram the thermostat. On systems with separate fan speed controls or variable speed motors, the G call often signals the control board, which then applies a low voltage command internally. Confirm motor type and consult the furnace wiring diagram, because some variable speed drives use a pulse or communication line instead of a simple G to R close. When replacing a thermostat, label existing wires and take a clear photo of the control board terminals. Then connect green to G and red to R exactly as marked. If you add a smart thermostat that needs a common wire, run a blue or brown common conductor from the C terminal to avoid backfeeding and intermittent fan behavior. If you find a broken green conductor inside the wall, fish and splice with a high-quality insulated butt connector inside the thermostat cavity and test with a jumper before sealing. For safety, always shut power to the furnace at the switch or panel and verify power is off on the control board before touching terminals. One of the biggest mistakes is misidentifying the G wire and miswiring the thermostat, which causes fan not running and false diagnostics. Fix this by labeling wires, checking continuity from thermostat end to control board, and using a thermostat jumper to confirm function. One of the top issues is assuming a non-responsive fan means the thermostat is bad, while the real fault can be a failed fan relay or control board, note of com. Test for 24-volt switching at the board and inspect relay contacts or the motor capacitor, and replace the faulty component. One of the more common problems is neglecting the common wire when installing modern thermostats, leading to power stealing and ghost fan cycles. Resolve it by running a proper common conductor from the C terminal or using an adapter kit designed for your furnace model. BigHomeProjects.com lists verified local HVAC contractors and provides contractor profiles, reviews, and project categories to help homeowners find someone who understands thermostat wiring and blower troubleshooting. Contractors use BigHomeProjects.com to generate qualified leads, show certifications and past work, and connect with homeowners who need reliable furnace fan repair or thermostat replacement.